Lost your precious photos, messages, or documents? Don't worry, recovering deleted data has never been easier. Hi, this is Neil from Harbor of Tech, and today I'll show you how to retrieve lost data effortlessly using iMyFone debug, the ultimate data recovery solution for iOS and PC users. Recovering data on your PC with iMyFone debug is simple and straightforward. First, download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, launch the program and select the location where you lost your files. This could be a specific folder, partition, or external device. Click on the drive to begin the scan, and the software will search for deleted files. After the scan is complete, select the files you want to restore and click Recover to save them to a secure location. That's it. Your lost data is back. Backing up your iPhone using iMyFone debug is a seamless process, but first, ensure you have iTunes installed on your PC. This step is essential for your iPhone to be detected by the software. Once you've installed iTunes, launch iMyFone debug and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. The software will detect your device automatically. When the device is detected, simply click Backup. The process will begin, and depending on the amount of data, it might take some time to complete. By creating a secure copy of your iPhone's data, you can ensure that your photos, messages, and other crucial files are safe and easily restorable whenever needed. Recovering lost data with the iMyFone debug is simple and effective. Begin by installing the software and launching it on your PC. Connect your device via USB to ensure it is detected by the program. Once connected, select the iOS data recovery option from the home screen. This selective recovery ensures you only restore what's important to you. The software will scan your device for lost data. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few minutes. You'll see a preview of recoverable data once the scan is complete. Select the files you need and click Recover to device or PC to save them. Choose a secure location to ensure accessibility later. The process is seamless, restoring your files efficiently. iMyFone debug also supports third-party app data recovery, including WhatsApp, Line, and more. It's a comprehensive tool to handle various data loss scenarios effectively. So whether you've lost precious memories or important files, iMyFone debug has got your back. Download it today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use my exclusive coupon code YTC85 for 85% off. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Harbor of Tech for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.